What's up, guys? It's your boy is back with another video, and today I'm gonna be putting you on this new app, and I'm gonna show you how to make money the easy and quick way. All this legit, free. All of it's like free. All you have to do, literally, all you have to do is invite people, and they use your referral code. That's all you have to do. Free money, literally. I'll show y'all proof and the easier way of how to do it and the right way to do it. How to use this app. So let's get into it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and if y'all want more videos like this, comment down below and see and comment down below and tell me what type of videos you want to see. Yeah, let's get right into it. So in this app, there's 3 different ways you can make money. It's like 3 different games you can play to earn cash, and all the money you have to after you like redeem your money or redeem whatever you want, you redeem it through PayPal. You see, there's $5, $10 of coupons because like the app is a shopping app, so you can use the coupons for shopping and shipping and shit like that. Coupons, and then so you see, you have to get like a certain amount of coins to get a certain amount of cash, like what type of cash you want. So I already redeemed $25 in total throughout the whole app. $25. I bought the $5 and I bought the 20. During this recording, I already cashed out on the 20. Right now, you see how I have that much money. I already got a couple more and I already cashed out on 20. But yeah, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is invite people. All you have to do is send people your link. They click it. You earn spins. You use the spins to earn coins, and you use the coins to earn money. And right now on the screen, this is the fish game. The second game you're using, you gotta earn 6 fish in order to get the cash prize, and you have to feed the fish. So you have to use the fish food. You can get fish food by inviting people. New players, you get more shit. Like if you invite new people to the app, but existing people used to the app, you only get less coins or whatever, less spins or that fish, whatever. Depends on what game you're playing. But yeah, that's all up to you. You just feed this fish every day. You have like 6 days to do it. Anyway, so let's move on to the next. This is the cash reward game. You just pick, you spin and you unbox the thing and you get whatever cash reward you get this, and you have to get money, all the way added up, all the way to the money you need to get to claim the prize. You need tokens. So you all of these, you have to invite people to get the tokens or whatever, the coins, in order to use your spins in it to cash out on prizes. All of it is really pretty easy. And yeah, you only get 24 hours for the cash reward. You only get 24 hours, so you have to do all that shit and earn it in there in 24 hours. But the redeem coin shit, I think you get like 3 days or 2 days. Or you get some shit and then your coins expire, so you have to cash out before your coins expire. But yeah, this app is pretty easy and quick to use. Easy, free money, guys. Free money, legit. I suggest y'all download this app. Free money, literally. I didn't do nothing but invite people and got free money. So yeah, y'all should definitely use this app. I'm gonna leave my link in the bio, and yeah. Alright guys, here's a proof of me withdrawing the money, so I can show y'all it's legit. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna leave the link of the app in my subscription, so make sure you click that down below, and yeah.